Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to change your PayPal primary phone number. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So here we are, as you can see, on PayPal. The first thing you're going to want to do is come across to paypal.com and log into your account. Now once you're logged in, you want to come up to the top right-hand corner and click onto your profile icon. Then what you want to do is come down and click where it says Profile Settings. What that's going to do is take you across to your settings, and you can see your phone number here. So this is my current phone number, and it's currently set as my primary number. To go ahead and change this, if you look to the right-hand side of your number, you're going to see a link that says Update. So all you want to do is give that a click, and what it's going to do is bring up all the phone numbers you have on your PayPal account. Now you can see the primary number is here at the top. So all you need to do is come to the right-hand side of your primary number and click onto Edit. What that's going to do is bring up the screen where you can go ahead and edit your primary phone number. So what you would do is select your phone type, whether it's mobile, home, work, or customer service. Then you would select your country code and phone number. Finally, you would enter your new phone number into the box down here. After doing this, go ahead and click the blue Update Details button, and what it's going to do is update your primary phone number. So that's basically how you can change your PayPal primary phone number. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks!